Hello loves, welcome back to another video. On today's video I'm going to show you how I achieved this nice looking eyebrows and this minimal eyeshadow look. To start, we're going to take our primer so that when we apply our makeup later it sits well. Now for the eyebrows, we're just going to take our spoolie and then brush out our eyebrows. Now make sure that your eyebrows are cut off well before you do this. Okay, now I'm just gonna take my eyebrow pencil, which I buy at Signature. It's cheap and it's reliable, and I use it for my eyebrow and for my lips. And then we're gonna take it, make sure you draw the line underneath, and then you just follow where your eyebrow it starts and ends, and then you're just gonna put a little bit of a curve on the side, and then after that we're gonna fill it in. And then on the other side we're going to do the exact same thing. You're just gonna take your eyebrow and then you're gonna fill in the pencil. After that we're going to brush. Now brushing ensures that it looks natural and it doesn't look weird. Okay, now we're going to take, I normally just take my foundation to shape the eyebrow on top, so that when I put my foundation all over, it's seamless and it doesn't show any patches. Okay, now I'm going to do the exact same thing. So you just follow your eyebrow how you have drawn it, or if you make a mistake, this is the best time to ensure that you cover that mistake with the eyebrow with the foundation. Okay, now we're just gonna take our concealer. I use the LA Pro concealer. It's cheap and very reliable. So we're carving it out underneath. This is because we want to brighten the eyelid. And by the way, when we apply the eyeshadow, you will see that the reason we put a lighter shade on the eyelids, it has an impact on how good or bad your eyeshadow will look. Okay, and then after that we're just going to drag it, and then ensures that it blends and leaves no harsh lines at the bottom. Okay, now you want to ensure that you take a clean brush to blend out any harsh line that might have remained from the concealer and ensure that it's clean. And then also at the top, if you feel like the line was a bit harsh, then you're just gonna take that and then blend it out again. So now that we're done, we're just gonna take our concealer again, and now as you can see we are applying it all over the lids. Make sure that you apply all over your lids evenly so, and make sure that it is well blended. Now with a fluffy small brush, you're going to take your translucent powder. I use one from Signature, and then after that you're just going to set the concealer that you have applied. Okay, then now I just like to put extra powder, the translucent powder, on my eyebrows because I get sweaty and oily during the day, and when I do this it ensures that my eyebrows do not move during the day. Now we're going in with our eyeshadow. Now the eyeshadow that I picked is light. Make sure that whenever you apply your eyeshadow, you start with a light shade on the crease of the eyeshadow. This makes it so much easier for you to blend, especially if you're someone who doesn't know how to do eyeshadows. So we're just gonna take that a light color, it's white, and then you're just going to blend it And then how I apply my eyeshadow is I just take the powder and then I just put it in. If you can see, I'm just taking the powder and then I'm putting in on the eyelids, just like that. It is the easiest way to put your eyeshadow on because it doesn't require a lot of movement. You're just putting or placing it at the crease. Now, as you will see, I'm going to go in with the powder a lot because we're trying to achieve a certain color. So this one I'm trying to make it as light as possible. So that's why I'm putting it a lot like that. And then once I'm done, I'm just going to brush it out to my desire and then make sure that this other side looks the same as the other side. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using, I'll show you the picture here. It's also from Signature, and from the same eyeshadow palette I'm just going to take the brown color and then I'm going to pat it on the side. As you can see, this is so easy to do because you don't need to know any technique that will take you there and there. You're just going to take that brown color and you're going to pack that brown color until you have reached the desired color that you want. So as you can see, I'm just packing it in there to ensure that I like it. And then once I'm satisfied with that other eye, I'm going to do the same thing on this one, and we're going to go in with that brown color, and then I'm just going to do it like that. And then here I'm just taking a shimmer. Unfortunately it doesn't show, maybe because of the light, but I took a little shimmer and then I just put it on top of the lid. Now I'm just gonna take it on this side, and then once I'm done, I'm also going to take it to the other side. Okay, now that I'm done, I'm going to brush out my eyebrow. Now, as you can see, the eyebrow have not shifted, have not changed any shape. They still look so good. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in another one. Mwah.